The first thing I like to do is use the Neutrogena Hydro Boost City Shield Water Gel Sunscreen. I've loved this one for a little over a year now, I think. I do love to apply it with my Real Techniques brush. My skin type is oily combination skin. Some parts are dry and some parts get super oily. So these are the areas that I typically like to place my concealer using my e.l.f. sponge that I'm still loving. My makeup is so minimal nowadays, especially when I just want to do like a quick something before stream. I do get really like red. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like around my cheek areas, and this is where this small amount of concealer that I apply under my cheekbones, I kind of bring up a little bit of it up here. My go-to powder has been the Airspun. I don't know, it's been working out so well. Ever since the Project Pan, and I've been trying to use this up, it's just a never-ending powder. I don't like to do too much baking because that dries me out. But like, for example, on my nose, I will put a little bit more than I would usually put on there because my nose tends to get super oily throughout the day. And then I will also make sure that there's no creasing on my eyelids. I will go in with the powder on here as well. I don't keep it on there very long. The powder that I apply on my nose, like I kind of just distribute it. I started this Project Pan a year ago, I think. Over a year ago. And look at this palette. Like, obviously, I've hit pan on this, but like nowhere near here. I am making a little dent on it. Over a year later, and I'm still using this. So I'm just loading up my brush. I'm going in here, and I just do like from up here. I go like down like a C shape right here. I also take a small angled brush, and I load it up with the same bronzer, and I go down my nose. One blush I haven't steered away from, and this is old, but like any hot pink blush, like this one, this is the Kylie Cosmetics. Does Kylie Cosmetics even exist anymore? I don't think so. This is in the shade Virginity, and I love this blush so much. Like, this is the only blush I wear, and I'm nowhere near to hitting pan, but I just put that right up here. I know it might feel weird to put your blush like from way up here to down here, but I don't know, I've been really liking that look. I feel like it lifts my face. For the longest time, I steered away from doing this. You can't really tell when I'm streaming, but I have been going in with blush right on my nose, and I just think it looks so pretty for some reason. Like, I don't know. And I will hit like down here. I know this looks crazy, but like, this is what I've been vibing with lately, and I'm obsessed. Don't know why. If I could find more places to put blush on, I would totally do it. That is like my base makeup, and oftentimes I will go on stream just like this. It looks like I'm wearing nothing on stream, but you can definitely tell when I'm literally wearing nothing. Maybe I'll just use this Anastasia brow gel just for now, just a little bit, just to hit them a little bit. I don't want to mess up my makeup. I actually hate this product. I don't hate the formula or anything like that. What I hate is the brush. The brush needs to be significantly smaller. I don't even know if they sell this product anymore, but it's not dried out, so I'm still using it. I applied the gloss, and I just think it pulls it together really, really well. If I am going out, I obviously will put some mascara on. I'm doing this for the sake of the video, but usually I don't do this. I do wear lashes whenever I'm gonna film TikToks. The reason I don't do mascara or like curl my lashes every day anymore, or every time I do my makeup, is because I saw that the health of my lashes was starting to deteriorate. You get what I'm trying to say. My go-to lashes when I'm filming TikToks, these are the Royal Silk lashes by Kiss, and I love these. These are lash glue. I'm still using the Sephora lash glue. I think I'm gonna have to look for a new type of lash glue because Sephora keeps coming out with like these fire products and then they discontinue them. I'm gonna try to stay in frame for this, which I highly doubt I will do. It just gives you the look of lash extensions and they look so good. I'm obsessed with them. Like, and with a simple look like this, it just brings it all together. And this whole look probably takes me 10 minutes to do. 10 to 15 minutes if I'm not talking, if I'm not walking you through steps. Like, it'll literally take me 10 to 15 minutes, which I've never been able to narrow down my makeup routine. If you want a tutorial on how to apply lashes, I know there's so many tutorials out there, but if you want one from me, because I struggled for years trying to master putting on lashes, and I feel like I have, I would literally do an in-depth video for you to show you how, but if you're not interested, that's okay. So yeah, should I apply some? I'm getting a little crazy. Highlight. Let's go for a nice pink. I'm gonna go into Kitty Cat and I'm gonna hit just a little bit of highlight. We'll hit a little bit of highlight on the bridge of my nose, like on the tip of my nose, like this, with not very much, but I feel like it does a world of a difference. And then I hit it right here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. Catch me on my gaming channel if you are interested. If not, it's totally fine. But I will see you in my next video. Bye.